Folks, in this last week, you may have a need to debug your projects. I realize we have a mix of talent in the room, a mix of experience. Some have PHP backgrounds, some don't. But for those who want to learn about debugging with OpenCart, when you log into the admin, the first thing you want to do is make sure it's turned on. So here you'll see your traditional system and settings. And when you get to the settings, just click on that and you see your store come up. So you can select the store and click Edit. And inside this, this area, the general area, we've been over this before with the themes, and right now I'm actually using an installed theme, but server is where you want to go. And when you want to test, you can throw it in maintenance mode, and that'll it'll stop it from running. So when you want to look at the site and maintenance, nothing will be able to be purchased. So we keep that at no. We have our clean SEO URLs, which we talked about in week 7. In this case, we have use SSL. You don't have to use it, not for a class project, but when it goes live, you should have it. The server of your choice, the host, would probably install it for you if it were a paid host. So as far as use shared sessions, we don't need that. That's opening up sessions to all users. Usually smart to keep that at off. This is a key that allows you to have a forgotten password so you can retrieve your password. Anyway, when you scroll down to the bottom here, you'll see error handling. This has display errors on. Log errors, yes. That means if I have an error, it'll actually display on the page. And error log file name is error.log. Okay, well that's all fine and dandy, but where is this error.log? Well, if I go back to my system like this, and I go to maintenance, you'll see error logs. And this error log right here is just reading the file of where my error log is. So this is an invisible file. It's a .error log that is written on a text field. And so far I've made one purchase, and it's because I didn't activate my IPN response on the checkout, but that's certainly not a fatal by any means. That's more of a warning. So this is where you can see your errors, but it's important to know that it needs to be turned on inside the system when you select your server. So that's the first part of debugging. What I would recommend for you folks is to just make a purchase, make sure it connects to Sandbox the same way I did in my video last week, and then you should be good to go. Any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.